Hey, what's up, everyone? So you've changed the coil pack and spark plugs, but that pesky misfire just won't go away. Don't worry today. We'll walk you through some common issues to check. We'll be looking at 7 potential culprits, starting from ignition wires or spark plug wires, fuel injectors, fuel delivery issues, air intake system, to timing and compression issues. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Alright, let's get that engine running smoothly again. First up on the troubleshooting list, ignition wires or spark plug wires. These humble heroes play a vital role in your engine's performance, transferring the spark from the ignition coil to spark plugs, but with time and usage, they can wear out, becoming frayed, corroded, or even broken. A quick visual inspection can reveal these issues. Look for any signs of wear and tear, any discoloration or breaks. If they look less than perfect, consider replacing them. This could solve your misfiring issue. Next on our checklist, fuel injectors. These little components play a vital role in your engine's performance. They're responsible for spraying the correct amount of fuel into your engine's combustion chamber. If they're clogged or faulty, they could be the culprits behind that annoying misfire. So, how do you check them? Simple. Grab a stethoscope or even a long screwdriver and place it on each injector. What you're listening for is a consistent, rhythmic clicking sound. This indicates that the injector is opening and closing, as it should. If one of your injectors sounds different or doesn't make a sound at all, it might be faulty. A faulty injector can certainly cause misfire, so don't overlook this step. Now let's delve into fuel delivery. Your vehicle's misfire could be down to a weak fuel pump, a clogged fuel filter, or perhaps even problems with the fuel pressure regulator. These components are integral to delivering the right amount of fuel to your engine. If any of them are compromised, your engine may not receive the fuel it needs, leading to a misfire. To check if you're dealing with a fuel delivery issue, you can use a fuel pressure gauge. This handy tool can help you determine if your vehicle's fuel pressure is within the recommended range. If it's not, then you may have found the source of your problem. Remember, adequate fuel delivery is crucial for smooth engine performance. Let's move on to your air intake system. A vacuum leak or a faulty mass airflow sensor can cause your air-fuel mixture to go haywire, leading to those persistent misfire. But how do you check for these issues? Well, a smoke machine can be a handy tool to detect vacuum leaks. You can also use carb cleaner to spray around the intake manifold and vacuum lines. Listen carefully. If the engines or PM changes when you spray, you've likely found your leak. As for a faulty mass airflow sensor, this can be checked using a diagnostic tool. See, it's not as complicated as it seems. Remember, a problem with your air-fuel mixture can easily result in misfire. Next up, we'll tackle timing issues. The rhythmic dance of your engine relies heavily on precise timing. If this gets disrupted, misfires can occur. To check, ensure your timing belt or chain hasn't slipped off its rhythm. Also, your camshaft and crankshaft position sensors play a crucial role in maintaining this timing. Make sure they're in good working order. Misaligned timing, though often overlooked, is a common cause of engine misfire. Lastly, let's discuss compression issues. Cylinder compression plays a pivotal role in engine performance. It ensures that your engine cylinders have the right pressure for the air-fuel mixture to ignite effectively. Now, if you have a cylinder with low compression, it might not be able to ignite the mixture as it should, leading to a misfire. So how do we check this? Well, using a compression tester, you can check each cylinder for the right compression levels. Simply attach the tester to each cylinder and observe the reading. If one cylinder shows a notably lower reading than the others, you've likely found the source of your misfire. A cylinder with low compression could very well be the source of your engine's misfire. If this video helped you out, drop a like and subscribe for more car repair tips. And if you still need help, leave a comment below. I'll do my best to answer.